Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can install a+cinemas on Roku TV. Alright, so let's begin. First, launch the Settings app. Navigate to the Security tab. It might be named Security and Privacy on some devices. Find the Install Apps from External Sources tab. If you can't find it in the Security menu, tap on More Settings. Enable this feature by toggling the switch to on. Open your favorite browser and go to the Cinema APK download page. Click on the Download Cinema APK link and download the APK file. Go to the Downloads folder on your Android device and find the Cinema APK file. Tap on it to start installation. If you're on Oreo or a more recent version of Android, give it permission to install the application. Once done, you should download and install All-Screen Receiver on your Android device from the Google Play Store. Launch the channel store on your Roku device. Find the All-Screen Receiver app. Go to the Apps channel and select the +Add Channel option. This will automatically install the All-Screen Receiver channel app on your Roku device. Now, launch the Cinema APK app on your Android device. Pick the movie or TV show you want to watch. Next, tap the movie episode when it starts playing and a context menu will appear on screen. You can watch Cinema APK on your Roku with a little help of your Android tablet or smartphone. Alright, if our video helped, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks.